Babe, would you say that the bed is comfortable?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm not moving.
You're not moving.
You can do a tour without me.
Okay. Without you moving. Okay. How much are we paying?
$30 a night.
How much?
30. She's high.
$30 a night. Let's check out the balcony. Wait, I almost got my finger in the door. That building here that's under construction will eventually be the Batumi Grand Mall, and what you can't really see, we've stayed at this complex before, is that to the right over here, behind, in front of the building, but yet on the boulevard, Batumi Beach Boulevard, there's a water park. So that's really cool. But yeah. Say, just like directly across the street from the beach. And I'm gonna head out to the beach in a minute. Let's go back in and take a glance at the bathroom. Alright, that's the door closing behind us. It's a lot of counter space. Considering it's an Airbnb, it's a studio apartment. Yeah. Would you stay here again, love?
First impression?
Yeah,
Yes.
your first impression. Oh, yes,
Yes.
our first impression. Actually, I don't even have the lights on. That's something
It's
I
all
should have done.
natural, baby.
Yeah. And here's some closets. Let's close the door. Close the door. How's the internet? Like, have you noticed any lag time? I like it from just surfing the net on my phone. So, this is where we at. I'm talking to you, hon.
I know, I'm trying to do a speed test.
Oh, you're doing a speed test? Okay. You get real technical with the speed. I was just saying overall. But thank you for that. There are two sides.
Real data, you know?
Okay, you like to be transparent, and so do I, but I like to guess every so often. We're not really. We use this side to hang on. My bag, and shoes. But we have an ironing board if you need an ironing board and an iron, which we don't.
Oh my god, this is phenomenal.
What? Let's go back. Let's check out the speed.
Is 45 down and...
Right, let's take a
Oh
look.
my god, and 48
No, let me
up.
see.
Same
Yeah,
here.
included. Okay, so this is a speed test. That's really good if you're wondering.
Like in
That's
Tbilisi,
really
we
strong.
pull in like 20 and 15.
Okay, so
Which is
Tbilisi is actually
Slow.
weaker and NAR slower. But okay, so let's do this. Oh, I like the interior door for the bathroom. Looks really cool. Okay, into the bathroom we go. We got 2 key cards because what we like to do is we like to leave the power on when we're away. So we'll leave 1 key card in the key card slot so the power stays on while we're away. Hold on, wait, let me make sure. Let's get a better shot of. It's a really nice toilet. It was super clean when we got here, just like 2 hours, maybe 3 hours ago. Really tiny water heater, yeah, that's good. I say tiny, but it's probably not. Heater on the wall, bathroom heater, and the shower is big enough for 2 people, for both of us to fit in there. And as you can see some, yeah. And so I'm just gonna walk it, go into the shower. Boom, I'm inside the shower right now. And yeah, so to give you an idea how big it is in here. Alright, backing out. So yeah, we leave 1 key card in the key card slot so the power stays on, and then we use the 2nd key card to enter the unit. Especially, we're probably gonna cook. This is, I don't know about you guys, but this is how we travel. When we travel, not how we travel. We buy some groceries, get Airbnbs, get some wine and all those veggies, and it'll be sauteed later. And what's left over, we'll eat it for breakfast. You always gotta have garlic. Yeah. But anyhow, there's enough space in here for 2 people, even 3, but I'll say 2. No, 2 extra chairs. I really like this place, and the view is not bad. Let's go outside and take another quick look at the view. And yeah, my video tours are not short. Kamajoba, hello. They're not short. Just said hello to my neighbors that I haven't met. Anyhow, thanks for checking out this tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More unfiltered travel videos coming. I've got a ton more videos coming. Actually, I have videos on my other SD card that I need to edit and upload. Should be doing that over the next 2 to 3 days. All right. Yeah, if you're in Georgia, check out Batumi. It's considered the Las Vegas of Europe, or Las Vegas. She just gave me a little stinky eye look. I don't want your opinion. We don't want your opinion. Okay, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the store. And this place is $30 a night. I will. Oh my goodness, I forgot to do this, but I will do it. Which is include the link, the Airbnb link in the description. Okay, peace, love, safe travels. Until next time. I am out. All right, one love.